Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here, and I said hit my mic. And I'm here to do an unboxing of the Hatchimals. The 12 pack, which is $20. And I'll do something a little bit different. If I find a rare, I'll put up the price of what it's worth. So without further ado, let's get to it. I had not. There's a flaw in my plan. I did not think this far ahead to figure out how to cut the plastic. Do I have something I could cut the plastic with? Do I looking for something? Oh, here we go. A rusty scissor, kind of. There. Okay, open it up, and the first thing we popped out, dropped, is a map. Because I'm unfolding it. So this is I forgot to mention. This is season 4 of Hatchimal. This is look like one part of a map, and that's all the places to go, or the places in Hatchimal world. This is a list. Let's see. Going to back and forth, showing all you could get. And there's a couple of limited edition ones, which probably will be worth super rare or something. And let's see. Oh, that's just telling me to rub the thing. Anywho, let's get to it. In this pack, you get 2 exclusive Hatchimals, which are these guys. Here's the first exclusive from the 12 pack. And this is, I don't think they have a name, so go back in. And one as I toss you away. And I think it's closed in the dark. Wait. It kind of looked like it would, but I'm not sure. Probably not. But whatever. Okay, so the design of the egg this time around. And look, pink, a little bit orange with a star in the middle. Interesting. This is okay. That one I wanted to come out really fast. And we got a common. But this is a bird thing with the umbrella. Okie dokie. And put it right there. Let's open the next one. And we got another common. There's a look like a flying zebra. Is that a zebra? It looked like a little zebra. And we're just gonna go down the list, man. Type. Yeah, I said crack it like a regular egg. Eh. This is actually harder to break than I thought. Why is this one? It's giving me trouble. Okay. There we go. Got it. Then this is another common. Is a flying monkey. Pink and purple. Pretty cool. These go right there. Another one. What is actually saying? Because my basement is just super cold, but it's like an ice box. But yeah, okay. Besides that, I managed to open this. And this is a pink wing. This is, I have no idea. It's a rare. Okie dokie. So this is the little guy gonna be going right here. And we said it's gonna go. So far we got one rare from this. From actually I don't know. And now we got another rare. This is a little dog poodle thing, I guess. Okay, that's interesting. Dog poodle thing. So this is from another jungle dog poodle thing from the meadow. Okay, dokie. No, hey, come back. Darn. Anyway. Yeah, open the next one. It says pops that up right open. And we got another common. This is another flying horse. Or maybe it's a rabbit. I don't know. They look more like a horse. That's so interesting. They're actually, most of these things are actually a clear plastic, which I find interesting. Anyway, let's just open up another one. And this is, what are you? What? Okay, it's another common. So there's a cat. I'm gonna go with a cat. A flying cat. Okay, interesting. Let's continue down the list. Yeah. Why I keep on dropping these things? Hit the camera. Okay. Professionalism. I lost the figure. It's an empty cell. Okie dokie. Where art thou to go, little one? We had to look for that little one. Into the dark underneath my desk I go. I hold Silver away. Now, so many ads on my cell phone, I can't get to my flashlight. No, I don't want to do that, phone. I want my flashlight. Okay, I finally could get to the flashlight. Boop. I think I see it. No. Nope, that's the one that's lost to the abyss of wherever my desk is. I don't know if it's actually a desk. Is it a mutant? Or maybe it's just this one that I did not open? I am a dumbass? But we all know this. I spent looking for an imaginary egg that wasn't there. Okay, that's good. That's always good. I'm glad that my brain is not working. Oh, this look like an interesting guy. Yeah. But it won't come out. This is rare. If it just want to get out, I could show you. Get out of there, you little bugger. Okay, cool. Here's a weird octopus thingy or dragon. I'm gonna go with the octopus since it has multiple legs. And you decide. And it is a rare. And you are what the hell are you? You're not the ocean. You are a special one. Boom Speedor or whatever. And definitely butchering that name. But what I'm gonna go with, you're gonna be called Boom Speedor. And that's always good. You are a... So we did get one special edition card thing. And we got the ultra rare. So here we go. Alright. Yep, we got the ultra rare, folks. Because Purple Wings is a flying squirrel? I'm gonna go with squirrel. I don't know if that's exactly it, but yeah, I'm gonna go with it. So we got one special and one ultra rare. Cool. Ooh, we got another. Actually, I think we got a limited edition one. It's all fuzzy and all that. So let's take a look at that. He's blue wings, so he's a higher rarity. He's all covered in fur. And feels really nice and soft and fuzzy. Anywho, and that was all the Hatchimal that we had today. Now, comment down below which one was your favorite. And for me, I'm gonna go with this dude because he's kind of have an interesting look. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.